icon to get latest videos.
Hello friends, today we will see types of optical fiber. We know optical fiber is divided into two main types. First one is the step index fiber and the second one that is graded index fiber. So this types is based on the index profile, means what is the refractive index of core and cladding material. So let us start with types of optical fiber. Now, there are two main type of optical fiber. First one is a step index fiber, another one that is a graded index fiber. Step index fiber is again divided into two types. First one is a single mode step index fiber. The second one is a multi-mode step index fiber. Mode means it's a path. So in case of single mode, there is only one path of the optical ray. And in case of multi-mode, there are so many rays traveling through the optical fiber. Then we have graded index fiber. Graded index fiber is only one type, that is multi-mode graded index fiber. Means single mode graded index fiber is not possible. So as per the classification, the size of optical fiber is also varies. Let us see what is step index and graded index fiber. Now step index, so here we have a optical fiber. So upper layer we can say that is a cladding. And refractive index of cladding we always mention that is mu2. Innermost part that is core. And its refractive index is mu1. Again, the second part that is cladding of refractive index mu2. In case of step index fiber or any type of fiber, we know the refractive index of core is greater than refractive index of the cladding. Then only the condition of total internal reflection gets satisfied. That's why the core refractive index always greater than the cladding refractive index. Now, here we have core refractive index. So, throughout the core material, we have a constant refractive index, say mu1. Means, this is the axis of fiber. If we are finding refractive index along the axis, the value will be mu1. If we are finding at the end of the core, its value will be mu1. So throughout the material, throughout the core material, refractive index value will be constant. And say this is mu1. Second, that is a cladding. Cladding is having lower refractive index than the core. So we'll say this is the refractive index of cladding, mu2. Which value is greater than mu1? Again the cladding refractive index is mu2. Less than mu1. So, if we join the profile of mu1 and mu2, it is showing the structure like a step, like this. Suppose this is mu1, higher and uniform refractive index, and cladding is having lower refractive index. If I join this, then we have a step-like structure. That's why this is called as step index fiber. So in case of step index, we can write, hence refractive index of core is uniform throughout the core medium and its value is greater than the cladding refractive index. So this is happening in case of step index fiber. And path is here, that is a zigzag path. Means, suppose this is the core medium, this is entire is core, and outermost that is a cladding. Then path will be zigzag path through the medium. So this is about the step index fiber. Let us see graded index fiber. In case of graded index fiber, refractive index of the core medium is not constant. It is made up of concentric layer of a different refractive index material. Means at the center we have a higher refractive index value and if we move away from the center or away from the axis of fiber, its values get decreases. So there is a gradation of refractive index of the core material. That's why this is called as graded index fiber. So here, if I consider the middle layer, this is the middle layer of the core. This part we can say is a core, and this one is a cladding. Now, the refractive index of first layer, means first concentric layer, is say suppose mu1. Then we have a second concentric layer. Say the refractive index of second concentric layer, that is mu2, mu1 dash. Let us consider third concentric layer of the core. Hence, the third concentric layer of refractive index is mu1 double dash. Means the core material is made up of concentric layer of a different refractive index value. So in this case, the value of mu1 is greater than mu1 dash, which is greater than mu1 double dash. Means what? If we go away from the axis, if we go away from the axis of the optical fiber, then the refractive index value is getting reducing or it is decreasing, and all these values are greater than the refractive index of the cladding, that is mu2. Means what? There is a gradation of the core refractive index. So if I say this is the first layer, then we have second layer, then we have a third layer. These all are core. So first layer is having higher refractive index, then the second layer refractive value, index value will decreasing. For third layer it is also decreasing in this way. And we have a cladding. The outermost part is a cladding. Its value is constant. That's why this fiber is called as graded index fiber, because there is a gradation of index profile for the core material. In case of graded index fiber, because of the different index profile, we have path that is sinusoidal wave. Here, let us consider this diagram. Suppose the ray of light entering in the fiber, it will come into the contact of first refractive index core, that is the first layer which is having the higher refractive index. Now this ray is moving from higher to lower refractive index. We know, just consider the ray of light will incident in the core medium. It will come in the contact of first layer of core which is having higher refractive index. Now this ray is entering the second layer which is having the less refractive index value than the first one. Now it means the ray is entering from denser to rarer medium. We know when ray enters from denser to rarer medium, it moves away from the normal. Hence, it changes its path and it will move away from the normal. Now, it will come into the contact of second concentric layer. Second concentric layer having more refractive index value than the third layer. Hence, again it will move to the away from normal. Means when it will come to the contact of third layer, it will move away from the normal. Now at this point, when there is starting of the cladding, it will satisfy the condition of total internal reflection and come back to the first medium. So in this way, ray travel in the optical fiber. So in case of the graded index fiber, we have, consider this is the core medium, and this is the axis of fiber. Hence in this case we have the sinusoidal path in the optical fiber. So this is the concept of graded index fiber and the step index fiber. Now we know step index fiber is again divided into two types. First one is a single mode step index fiber and the second one that is multi-mode step index fiber. Let us see the difference between single mode and multi-mode step index fiber. As we know, the outer layer is a cladding and this one is core. Core is having refractive index mu1, cladding of refractive index mu2. We know in case of optical fiber, mu1 is greater than mu2. Now, in case of the single mode optical fiber, mode, it's a path, it's a propagation. So, the diameter of optical fiber is very small. So, it only supports only one mode of propagation. Means at a time, only one ray of light can enter in the fiber. And we know, in case of the step index fiber, the path of light ray is a zigzag path. So, here we have the light ray will enter and it will travel in a zigzag path and coming out. So, in case of single mode, we'll write core diameter is small and it supports only one mode of propagation. That's why this is called as single mode step index fiber. In case of multi-mode step index fiber, again we can say this is the cladding of refractive index mu2. This is core of refractive index mu1. Now, the core diameter here is large as compared to the single mode. That's why at a time it supports so many rays to enter in the core. So, this is called as multi-mode step index fiber. Again, the angle, that is critical angle, it depends on the external angle, that is called as acceptance angle, right? So, here we have so many rays entering in the fiber. That's why this is called as multi-mode step index fiber on the basis of index profile. Thanks for watching this video.